How you doing, guys? Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a badass 71 Nova Yenko Deuce Tribute, painted Tuxedo Black, slick down the side, straight as an arrow. It's got steel cowl hood, bumpers have all been replaced on the car. See, it's got the SS grill in it. All the trim on the car is really nice. I tell you, it's a super nice car, guys. See how straight it is down the side. Big block. 427 badged. It's got the period correct American racing wheels on it. Now the motor in this car is actually a 396 block, but it was built to a 427. Super nice car, guys. And this is a rock solid, all original panel car, all your original floors. Just a super nice car. I tell you, it's really hard to find one this nice. This car come out of a personal collection. A GM executive had built this car. Had it a couple years, decided to build something different. It's got your disc brakes up front. And it's got a strong running motor in it, guys. This thing just pounds the ground. It's got your power disc brakes on it. It's got your power steering. Got all Hooker Super Comp headers. Got a full 3-inch exhaust, mandrel bent out the back. Just a super nice car, super nice. All the interior's been redone in it. The original dash looks good. They did a B&M floor shifter in it. Headliner looks real nice. Back seat, it's got your front and rear seat belts. I mean, just see the paint on this car is just super slick and nice. It's got jack and spare in it. It's got a car cover that goes with it. You can see how clean, nice the trunk is. That SS panel on the back looks real nice. It's not all pitted up. Tell you guys, it's hard to find them this nice. And this car just pounds the ground and it's just a blast to drive. It's also been outfitted with a 700 R4 overdrive trans. It's a radio delete. I tell you, with that 700R in it, I was driving this the other day, rolled down the road at 60, 65 mile an hour, things at like 1900 RPM, just cruising right along. But I tell you, when you get on the go pedal, this thing will get out of its own way. It's got the correct heater core in it for the big block. Hear that thing fire up, just, I tell you, super nice car, guys. Strong running motor. Got a lot of goodies in the motor. I had to bear with us a little bit today. Temperatures finally come up to about 26 degrees. See a little, the exhaust. It's just because it's so cold out. super nice car, guys. I tell you, I drove this car and it's fun to drive. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustommi.com. Have a great day, guys.